Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Thursday. It is the 26th of August, and it's been a very, very tough day here in the markets. Let me put this out there for free. So, link in the description if you want to learn more. We talked this morning. We came in this morning, and one of the things I said to you guys is that one, I didn't have a strong feel for the market today. The setups weren't there other than the earnings names. Two, I said the wild card today could be some activity or something that happened in Afghanistan only because there was so much chatter and concern that was going on there that some type of attack was imminent. Well, unfortunately, we did get that today, right? We got that, and um, you know, let's just go into it. The SPY here, we gapped down a little bit, and we were holding in fine, nothing going on ahead of the Fed, the Powell tomorrow, and then we dumped on that when the news of the reports came in. At first, actually, we did nothing. It's when there was news of American casualty. That's when we started dumping. Now we know there's 12 American servicemen died in this attack. And here we are with about 30 minutes to go, a little less than that, SPYs on the lows. I want you to note, while volume is up, it's not special. And if you look on the 5-minute chart, volume was dead until that, right? Then we picked up for about an hour, and then we chill back off here and we're going sideways. Also important to note here, the SPY has not even connected with the 8-day yet. That is currently trading at 445.75, and we haven't even gotten there yet at this point. All right, what else is going on? The Qs, yeah, Qs got rocked a little harder, but still above the 8-day. The IWM tried to hold in and rocked here below the 50-day, but held the 21 in the 8-day area. The VIX popped, but hasn't really done a whole heck of a lot, guys. And overall, the market is probably waiting to see whether this continues tomorrow, which it might, and what Powell has to say at 10 o'clock tomorrow. Again, I will go on record as saying I think Powell is going to be very non-committal on anything tomorrow. I don't believe he's going to be trying to do anything. By the way, as I'm sitting here, SPY, you have a big opening sweep of tomorrow's 439 puts, 16,000 of them at 17 cents, guys. We do this live, by the way. The room is open so they can all hear that. All right. So, we'll see. So what was in play today and what did we focus on today? Well, I'll start off with CRM. CRM was a focus name. We said CRM over 270 today would be a play. CRM popped over 270 open. I made some nice money quickly on it in these candles, and then it kind of struggled to push. I actually gave some back over in here when I was trying to play it for curl up, and it just didn't give it. Overall, great report, great guidance, not a great candle on the day, but holding the opening gap so far, which is good. We had snow on the radar. Some of the guys in the room traded snow. This was not an easy trader, and it never is. Big pop on the open, then dropped, and traded in a $20 range, but back up highs, closing better than CRM on a horrific report, but good guidance. This market remains very backward. Roku gave a nice trade today, had a very nice trade on that. Unfortunately, it's come back. You can see here it had gotten above the 200-day. There was flow. It started in the weekly in the 260s, and then I saw them coming after the 270s. I traded here and here today, made some nice money, but eventually it couldn't hold up, and it's worked its way back down here as well. And you can see some of this. Also, Zoom was a name they focused on the open. It gave a 10-minute trade, weekly 280 calls. Where were they? The 360 calls. They were all over it, and it just came in on that upgrade this morning. Earnings next week. Bottom line, when you look out there, there's not a tremendous amount of damage here done yet. The financials almost got to all-time highs and pulled back. What else do we have out there? Energy kind of pulled back a little bit here. Apple tried to pop early, didn't go anywhere. Microsoft, which has been one of the stronger names, right on the 8-day here and holding it. And overall, the market is just kind of going yawn, nothing big here. Tesla this morning we thought was a short. That would have worked out if some people traded that, but holding the 8-day here. And Amazon, believe it or not, is holding in strong today, stopped at the 21-day. So, bottom line is here is we have two events. One, we have Afghanistan, and then we have Chairman Powell tomorrow. I'm probably going to go home flat into this. I have very little risk in my long-term portfolio at this point. And we'll see what we bring tomorrow morning. Hopefully, Afghanistan, we get this under control, and this is over in a couple of days, and we get out of the country and get our men and our people out of harm's way. And hopefully, everybody's okay. Else is okay over there. That's it, guys. Have a great night. We have a webinar for members coming up on the close. Catch you guys later.